Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to show you the new alias functionality added to the settlement. So we're going to start out, we're going to go over to recycling settlement, and we're going to take a look at order 5208. When we open up this order, we can note that when this order was received, they were received as circuit boards, mixed colored pastel connectors, and you had three lot IDs of circuit board super and one pallet of servers. Now, one of the new functions we recently added was the alternate name. If you don't see the alternate name, you could always go into your settings of the column settings here, and you could enable the alternate name by checking it off. Now, the way this functions is essentially you could receive it in exactly how you want to receive it in and sort it according to your processes in-house, but a lot of times a customer might require specific naming conventions and things of that nature. So if that's the case, you can always set up what the alternate name is for the specific sorting commodities that you received in. In this case, we label them circuit boards, very standard, very vanilla. So, you could use this in a couple ways. The customer requires it. Or another reason why someone may use it is you're upgrading the material by doing a sort, and potentially you don't want to show the customer exactly how you upgrade the material to increase value. So this is a very good way of masking it. Now, once you've changed the names, you could print out the reports, but just to show you how it functions, it's a inline editable field. So if you wanted to call it circuit board, you could change it exactly like that and it'll show up. Now, if you wanted to just do a copy paste, we'll bring it all in a circuit board. And now what we're going to do is we're going to print out a example report here. And you can see here how it's going to be labeled exactly as the alias is set. So you can see everything is labeled as circuit boards. And if you needed an alternate option to do a summary view, the system would summarize any of the alternate names. Now, just to take it the next step, next level, if you go over to the contract management, we could take a look at that contract that we set up. Now, under the commodities tab, over here you could preset a lot of your alternate names. So however you receive an order that had this contract applied would determine exactly what the alternate name is. So that's the new functionality. I hope you enjoy it.